Hey everyone, welcome back to SciChat Mindset, your go-to space for decoding bioinformatics. In this video, we're diving into MEGA12, a powerful and beginner-friendly tool for building and presenting phylogenetic trees. Whether you're preparing for a research project or a classroom presentation, this tutorial will walk you through visualizing and formatting your tree like a pro. That's a wrap on using MEGA12 for clean and compelling phylogenetic tree presentations. If this video helped simplify your workflow, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share with your science circle.